How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to remove the carpet from a 2005 to 2014 Mustang. All right, to most folks, removing the carpet from a Mustang seems like a huge undertaking, but in reality, it isn't that bad at all. Once you remove the seats, center console, and a few other interior pieces, you're well on your way to removing the carpet. Speaking of the seats and the center console, we've put together a few dedicated videos on how to remove those components, and the links can be found in the video description. I've also added a list of tools in the description, so check that out as well. With the seats and center console removed from the vehicle, lift up the driver's side scuff plate to dislodge the clips. These also have double-sided tape on the bottom, so gently pull the scuff plate away from the door jamb. If equipped, disconnect the electrical connection and then set the scuff plate aside. Remove the push pin at the front of the driver's side kick panel. Pull the kick panel towards you to remove it. Loosen and remove the front seat belt anchor bolt with the T50 Torx socket. Remove the single push pin at the bottom of the rear interior quarter panel. At the rear of the interior rear quarter panel, remove the two remaining push pins. Pull the interior rear quarter panel towards the center of the car from the quarter window area to dislodge the clips. Maneuver it towards the front of the car and make sure you pass the rear section around the body. This panel can now be removed from the car. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. Your car may have an electrical connection attached to the seat belt. If it does, disconnect the electrical connection and dislodge the harness clip from the body. Feed the harness through the carpet and then position the seat belt out of the way. Per the Ford Workshop Manual, cut the carpet with a sharp razor blade where it passes underneath the dash area. Pull it through from the other side. Remove the carpet clips from the pinch weld on both the driver and passenger sides. Use a small pick to depress the tab on the brake light switch connector and disconnect it. Dislodge the two rearward push pins. Roll the carpet from the floorboard area. Cut the center section of the carpet near the parking brake handle. And then continue maneuvering it until it can be fully removed from the car. Use this opportunity to thoroughly clean the floorboard. I vacuumed the area first and then wiped up any spills with an all-purpose cleaner and microfiber towels. Go ahead and remove any of the old jute backing. This stuff removes pretty easy, but you may have to use a non-marring scraper for any of the stubborn areas. I'm leaving the jute padding in the upper floorboard area since it's still in good condition. If this particular jute padding smells or has gotten wet at some point in your car, I would remove any section that seems questionable. After that, you're good to go. As with any of our instructional videos, I hope this one has provided you with the value that you needed. That's all we have for today, so until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S197 Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.